Hello dear friends, welcome back to Economics Learners Lab YouTube channel. Hope everybody is doing absolutely fine. In this video, we are going to discuss about 10 questions of NTA NET Economics, December 2018, questions and the solution. Let us see the first question. Question number 51. Which of the following is considered as the third stage in the roster stages of economic growth model? Choice number A, high mass consumption. Choice number B, traditional society. Choice number C, preconditions for a takeoff. Choice number D, takeoff. According to the Rostow's economic growth model, stages are: first one, traditional society; second one, precondition for a takeoff; third one, takeoff; fourth one, drive to maturity; fifth one, high mass consumption. So the right answer for this question is choice number D, that is takeoff. Question number 52. Which of the following is or true for Karl Marx theory of economic development? Choice number A, relations in production changes independently. No, this depends on the labor. Choice number B, mode of production changes independently. Yes, this is right, it depends on the time. Choice number C, both of the above. No, this choice also wrong. Choice number D, none of the above. This is also wrong. So here the right answer for this question is choice number B, mode of production changes independently. Question number 53. In the year 2015 and 16, India has not been an importer of which of the following products? Roman number 1, apples. Yes, this is an importer of the India. Roman number 2, rice. Rice in India, rice we used to import very less. In 2015 and 16, we didn't import any type of rice. Roman number 3, pulses. So this is also importer. So here the right answer for this question is choice number D, that is only 2 is the right answer for this question. Question number 54. Global competitiveness report is released by which of the following organization? Choice number A, World Trade Organization. Choice number B, World Economic Forum. Choice number C, European Union. Choice number D, World Bank. So here the right answer for this question is choice number B, that is World Economic Forum. Question number 55. Round tripping in international trade is a method. Choice number A, to boost foreign direct investment. Choice number B, to evade tax. Choice number C, to increase exports. Choice number D, of financing startups. So here the right answer for this question is choice number B, that is to evade tax. Question number 56. Balance of payments on capital account does not include. Choice number A, balance of foreign direct investment. Yes, this is a part of capital account. Choice number B, foreign portfolio investment. Yes, this is also part of capital account. Choice number C, net income transfers. No, this is not part of capital account. This is a part of current account. Choice number D, government loan to foreign governments. Yes, this is also part of capital account. So here the right answer for this question is choice number C, that is net income transfers. Question number 57. Devaluation will be more effective when? Roman number 1, international capital is freely mobile. No, when international capital is freely mobile, the devaluation is not very effective. Roman number 2, international capital is not freely mobile. Yes, when international capital is not freely mobile, then devaluation will be effective. Roman number 3, marginal propensity to import is high. No, this is also wrong. When the country is import dependent, devaluation will not be effective. So here the right answer for this question is choice number A, that is only 2. Question number 58. If K by L of country A is greater than K by L of country B, then choice number A, country A is a labor abundant. Choice number B, country A is having a cheap labor. Choice number C, country A is a capital abundant. Choice number D, capital is a dear in country A. So here the right answer for this question is choice number C. If K by L of a country A is greater than K by L, then the country A is a capital abundant country. So here the right answer is choice number C. Question number 59. Opportunity cost theory assumes that. Choice number A, labor is the only factor of production. No, capital also factor of production in opportunity cost theory. Choice number B, labor is a homogeneous. No, labor is heterogeneous in different countries. Choice number C, cost of commodity is equal to labor cost only. No, this is also wrong. Cost may be extra or cost may be low level. Choice number D, none of the above. So here the right answer for this question is choice number D. All the statements are wrong. Question number 60. Historically, the terms of trade of the developing countries have been unfavorable due to the fact that when income in developed countries rises, the demand for primary goods declines because choice number A, income elasticity of demand for primary goods is low. Choice number B, income elasticity of demand for primary goods is 0. Choice number C, income elasticity of demand for primary goods is high. Choice number D, price elasticity of demand for primary goods is high. So here the right answer for this question is choice number A, income elasticity of demand for primary goods is low. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel because your subscription is my inspiration. If you have any query, please comment below this video. Thank you and see you in another video.